How to change your country on Soundcloud. So the first step is by opening your Soundcloud app and then go to your library found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're in library, you may click on your profile found on the upper right corner of the screen and wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, you may click on the pencil icon right here or the edit button. Click on that one and make sure to choose the country right here. And then you may scroll down and look for your country. There are also alphabets right here on the rightmost part, so you may drag or click on whichever alphabet or country that you are living in right now. For example, I stay in the Philippines, so I'll just choose Philippines right here. Click on save on the upper right corner, wait for it to load, and then there you go. You have now changed your country on SoundCloud. So that's it. That's how you can change your country on SoundCloud.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.